What if you shot a gun in space? After hundreds of thousands of years being marooned on this 4.5 billion-year-old rock, we finally burst through the skies and began our first steps in exploring the final frontier. That is, outer space in the 20th century. Following this, we've spent almost 8 decades expanding our knowledge of the intergalactic map and the diversely brilliant elements that roam the celestial highway. Ongoing experiments occur till this day, most of them being directed towards the expansion of science or military knowledge. As such, one can't help but wonder about more trivial matters concerning space. One of such matters is if you shoot a gun in space, would the bullet go on forever, or would gravity eventually slow it down? Can you even shoot a gun out there? Stick with us till the end. But before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel Future Collective for more amazing videos just like this one. With that out of the way, let's get to it. First and foremost, would the gun even shoot? I guess the best place to begin as you ponder on this somewhat superficial conundrum is to see if we can even shoot a gun once we're hovering in space. Well, it may surprise you to learn that this may not be a problem at all. Despite the fact that there's need for air when creating the explosion that shoots the bullet, the fact that space is an airless vacuum doesn't seem to present itself as a hindrance, especially when modern-day guns are involved. Due to a combustible chemical that you can find in guns today called oxidizers, the creation of the explosive force that propels a bullet can easily be generated in space. Now all you need is a piece and something to point out. How long before the bullet stops? Now that you know that you can shoot your piece outside Earth, it may interest you to learn that there's one other thing that could occur when you shoot your gun in outer space. Know that if you miss your target during a Mexican standoff with your nemesis, there's a chance that not only have you probably condemned yourself to the mercy of your opponent, you've also sent a bullet into the universe till probably the end of eternity. This is because unlike Earth, where the planet's gravitational force would eventually force the bullet to obey its laws of physics, the lack of the same gravitational pull in space means that there's a high chance that the bullet will continue on till the end of time. Will the bullet turn into a boomerang? That being said, you might have one chance to escape from your opponent during this deadly standoff you found yourself in. Despite the early assertion that the bullet may travel the universe forever, despondently searching for the person who has his or her name on it for eternity, this gloomy journey is still somewhat hypothetical. Due to the presence of other celestial bodies in the galaxy, it's perhaps more likely that the bullet would get drawn into one of those objects' gravitational pulls. As such, if you miss your shot during this deathlock you find yourself in, you may survive by ducking while the bullet circles the planet you are orbiting. Just make sure you shoot at the right angle. Well, there you have it. What other piffling question is triggering your curiosity? Why don't you share them in the comments? Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel Future Collective and hit that bell icon for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and if you're still here, why don't you check out our other awesome videos?